Hey, it's BillFeaver here. If you're like me, this time of year, every dollar feels like it has a job. Gifts, travel, dinners, repairs, helping family, it all adds up. So today, I want to show you a simple, free way to start getting cash back on money you've already spending. And on top of that, how you can give $5 and get $5 just for sharing it with others. No coupons, no codes to remember, no crazy hoops. Just set it up once and let it work in the background. The app is called the Save Club app, and I'll walk you step by step through getting installed and activated. Club in plain English. Save Club is a company that saves you money in a variety of ways. One way Save Club saves you money is giving cash back through a free app that quietly sits behind the scenes and says, "Hey Bill, just use this card at a place that offers cash back. Let's send him money." That's it. You don't have to chase receipts. You don't have to log in and click a bunch of buttons. You just use your card like normal, and when a purchase qualifies, Save Club automatically tracks it and sends you cash back. And I'll be honest with you, I care a lot about helping people, especially folks in my age group, find ways to have a little extra without taking on another job. This doesn't replace a full-time income, but an extra 10, 20, 50, $100 here and there. That can be groceries, gas, gifts, grandkids. You know exactly where it would go. All right, let's get you started. All you have to do is download the app. That's step one. On the screen right now, you should see a QR code. Just grab your phone, open the camera, and point it at this code. You'll see a little link pop up. Tap that, and it will take you straight to the Save Club app in your app store. If you're watching this on your phone and the QR thing is tricky, you can also use the link I'll put down in the description under this video. Once you're there, hit download or get, just like any other app. Now when the app finishes installing, go ahead and open it. You're going to see a simple sign-up screen. You'll enter your name and email address, create a password, confirm any basic info they ask for. Take your time. There's no rush. Once you're done, tap Create Account or Sign Up. Now you have your Save Club account. That part's easy. Here's where the magic happens. To actually get cash back, the app needs to know which debit or credit cards you use. You'll be prompted to add a card. Follow the prompts. Enter your card number, expiration date, security code if requested, your billing zip if they ask. Personally, I loaded all the cards I use regularly. If I'm going to get cash back, I want it working on every card that sees daylight. A couple of things here. This system is designed to be secure. They work through established payment networks. This does not change how your card works. You'll still pay your bill the same way at the same stores. You're just turning on a little cashback radar behind the scenes. Once you've added your first card, I recommend repeating the process for your other main cards. Maybe your main credit card, your debit card, whatever you actually use during the week. When you're done, you hit save or finish, and the app is basically on autopilot. Now the fun part. Once your cards are in, you don't really have to think about it. You go out and live your life. Buy groceries, fill up at the gas station, go out to dinner, pick up something for the grandkids. When you use one of the cards you've added, Save Club checks if that purchase qualifies for cash back. If it does, you'll automatically get the cash back credited in your account. No scanning, no uploading, no oops, I forgot the coupon. You just spend like normal and let the app do the boring work in the background. That's my kind of system. Now here's the part I really like, because it lets you help other people while also helping yourself. Save Club has a give $5, get $5 sharing feature. Here's how it works. When you share your Save Club invite link with someone and they download the app and set up their account, they get $5 and you get $5. So you're not just saying, hey, here's an app I like. You're saying, here's $5 to get you started, and I'll get $5 too. Win-win. Think about the people in your life who could use a little extra. Kids or grandkids trying to stretch their dollars, friends on fixed income, someone buried under bills, groceries, or gas prices. You're not asking them to spend more. You're helping them get more back from what they're already spending. And that's important to me. My heart is to help people have a little breathing room, especially right now when everything feels more expensive than it ought to be. Look, I'm not here to hype you with some get-rich-quick fantasy. This is just a simple tool. It's free, it's easy to set up, it runs in the background, and it can put a little extra cash in your pocket over time. If you skip it, nothing changes. If you take 5 minutes to set it up, you might pay for a couple of coffees, a dinner out, or a tank of gas, just from money that would have slipped by unnoticed. For me, that's worth a few minutes. All right, so let's review what you need to do to get the app. 1. Scan the QR code on the screen or click the link in the description. 2. Download the Save Club app. It's free. 3. Set up your account with your name and email. 4. Add your debit and credit cards, the ones you actually use. 5. Start using your cards like normal and watch the cash back roll in. 6. Then go to the Invite Share section of the app. Share your link with friends and family. Let them know they'll get $5 and you'll get $5 too. If you have questions, drop them in the comments and I'll do my best to help. And if you want more simple ways to save money and build income from home in this season of life, hit the like button, subscribe, and then turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I'm BillFeaver, cheering you on to live with faith, purpose, and a little more cash in your pocket. Take a minute, set up the app, share it with everyone you care about. And I'll see you in the next video.